Sigma 18 to 50 millimeters f2.8 lens results, why it's your everyday Sony essential. Picture this. You're chasing that golden hour glow on a city street, but your kit lens chokes in the shadows, leaving shots flat and forgotten. I remember fumbling through a family hike, camera heavy, creativity stalled, total block. We've all been there, right? What's one shot you wish you'd nailed better? Share in the comments. Let's swap war stories.
Deadlines loom like storm clouds. Stress coils tight in your chest. And burnout hits when every frame feels forced. That exhausting grind. You crave sharpness without the hassle. Bokeh that pulls focus like a magnet. Here's the subtle shift. Reclaim control with a lens that whispers clarity. No extra gear chaos. The Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter f2.8 steps in smooth, constant aperture lighting your way.
Meet the Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter f2.8 DCDN Contemporary Lens Bundle, your compact rebellion against bulky glass. This isn't just a zoom. It's a lightweight powerhouse, under 11 ounces, that delivers razor-sharp edges from wide landscapes to intimate portraits, thanks to SLD and aspherical elements that crush aberrations. The constant f2.8 aperture? It breathes life into low-light scenes, blurring distractions into creamy silk while keeping your subject crisp and alive. Stepping motor AF locks on fast and silent, perfect for video where every breath counts. And that 27 to 75 millimeter equivalent range? It covers 90% of your day without swapping lenses. Freedom in your pocket. A freelance shooter I know almost tanked a client deadline, scrambling in dim event lighting with a sluggish kit lens, until she mounted the Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter f2.8. One twist of the zoom, and she captured the keynote's raw energy, colors popping like fireworks, saving the gig in under an hour. Feel that rush? It's the lens whispering, "I've got you." Stick around for a bonus tip, the one filter tweak that amps sky blues without post-edits. Efficiency surges when your lens doesn't quit. Think endless street snaps without arm fatigue, focus that sticks like glue for those fleeting smiles. Performance? It's the quiet hero turning casual vlogs into pro reels with bokeh that wraps subjects in velvet glow. This Sigma redefines APS-C zooms, sharp, wide open, compact as a prime, raves a lens expert from imaging tech. An influencer calls it my travel non-negotiable. The f2.8 holds exposure like a boss during zooms. Analysts peg it as market disruptor, challenges pricier rivals with 1 to 2.8 macro close focus at half the bulk. And users? Upgraded my A6400, night and day sharpness, bundle CPL filter slays glare on hikes, shares one shooter. I've lugged this on coastal treks myself. The builds whisper solid, turning choppy waves into crystal frames without a hitch. See why thousands can't stop talking about this? Worried about the switch from kits? It's seamless. Dusted on and in-camera corrections handle the rest. No steep curve, just instant wins. What's your dream shot waiting for this lens? Drop it below. Your idea might spark someone's next masterpiece.
Stocks dipping fast on this Sigma 18 to 50 millimeter f2.8 bundle. Grab it before the next wave of creators does. Join thousands who've leveled up their Sony game, ditching dull kits for that constant f2.8 edge. Results may vary, but the proof's in the frames. Snag the exclusive setup checklist as your bonus. It's the secret to nailing low-light bokeh on day one. Don't scroll past. Hit that link now. Bundle up your kit at Shoot Light Tomorrow's Calling.